Here's how to use the text-to-speech feature in CapCut PC. Text-to-speech feature is great because you can add speech without using your own voice. So first, go to the top left of the CapCut and then click on text icon. Then select a text style. Go ahead and drag it onto your timeline. Now type what you want the text-to-speech to say. For example, I'll type, "This is so beautiful." Now, if you plan to keep the text on the screen, you can customize it by changing the font, size, style, case, color, and other options. But if you're going to delete the text, these customizations don't matter. So in the top right, click on text to speech, which is between tracking and AI avatars. You'll see different voice options. Some of our CapCut Pro users, but there are also many free options available. To hear how a voice sounds, click on it. And if you like it and you want to use it, click on Generate Speech. It will say applying, and then it will generate an audio track from the text. As I mentioned earlier, you can either keep the text on the screen or delete it. To delete it, click on the text in the timeline, right-click on it and tap on Delete. And the audio you generated will still be there. And you can play the video to hear it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.